Lagi natin sinasabi, we want peace. We want freedom. Pero para magkaroon ka ng freedom, let's reverse engineer that. Kailangan mo ng pera. But for you to build wealth, you have to have assets. Ang assets, mahal po yan. Binibili po yan, binibuild po yan. Pwedeng mahal yung assets, or pwedeng mura lang yung asset when it comes to money, but it will take a lot of time to build the asset. For example, you are building a business. Pwedeng hindi ganun kalaki yung puhunan mo, but it took a lot of time for you to build the system to make sure that the business is earning for itself. To make sure that the business is running. Kusa nang tumatakbo yung negosyo, kumikita na ng pera. Yes, it will take a lot of time, a lot of effort. You have to build systems. So para mangyari yan, kailangan mo ng pera. Para makapag-build ka ng sistema, makapag-hire ka ng tamang tao, makabili ka ng mga assets na magpuproduce ng marami pang pera, kailangan mo ng maraming pera. At para magkapera ka, kailangan mo ng skills. And a lot of people are not willing to invest in skills.